Hi everyone, this is Kriti Gupta, Practice Director at Everest Group, and today I have with me Pooja Mantri. She's a senior analyst and leading a lot of our research in the wealth management space. So wealth management, as the industry has seen, 2024 has been a difficult year for the overall industry. The focus is shifting, enterprise priorities are changing, which is leading to ripple effects in how the entire tech ecosystem is responding to it. So Pooja, do you want to talk about what are the top two enterprise priorities you're seeing in the wealth management space?
Kriti, like you mentioned, to navigate the current business challenges, the focus is right back on advisors. Enterprises are actually trying to increase their productivity. They are trying to, transform their advisor platforms by, including new tools, features, collaboration tools, and other things that can actually help them, eliminate or reduce the manual effort, and that will enable them to spend more time with their clients so that they can actually drive the revenue. That is one thing. And the other thing that is continuing to be in focus is hyper personalization. So they're trying to hyper customize the client journeys. They are trying to give them more tailored recommendations. And as enterprises are trying to do this personalization for their clients, they are increasingly focusing on the partnership ecosystem. So now they realize that there is a huge amount of client data that they need to analyze so as to arrive at the best recommendations. So doing the proper data analytics, AI platforms and all those things are right back into focus. So they are increasingly partnering with wealth techs, fintechs, so to better utilize the data that they have at hand. So now coming to this point of partnership ecosystem, how do you think, Kriti, are wealth management technology providers reacting to this change in the market?
That's a very interesting question, Pooja, because you mentioned advisor productivity is back in focus, but the focus on hyper personalization is not going away, right? And I think it's an interesting piece for the wealth technology providers as well, and they're responding to it in part. So one thing that we have seen is many of them are now incorporating dedicated ESG modules into the core wealth platforms, so as to take in varying investor preferences. And at the same time, we are seeing this industry take its steps towards the Gen AI journey, right? So things like having conversational chatbots to help end clients and investors get that desired customized experience. At the same time, leveraging the power of Gen AI to help advisors prepare better for their next set of meetings, giving them a summary from the previous discussion, giving them talking points, right? So we are seeing the wealth tech ecosystem, the core wealth provider ecosystem, leveraging technology to address these changing enterprise needs. But I think that is just a brief sneak peek into what the ecosystem is looking like, right? And you are leading that research in this space, and for all of you out there, we are in the process of collating the results for our second iteration of the wealth management product Peak Matrix assessment for 2024. And very soon, in few weeks, we will be out with our results and how the market landscape looks like and the who's who of the entire technology provider ecosystem and what they are doing. So stay tuned with us, and we will be out with the results soon. And thank you for joining in today. Thank you, Pooja.